How to archive chats in Signal. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. If you're using Signal and want to archive a chat, then it helps you keep your chat list organized without deleting your messages. Firstly, open up the Signal application on your device and make sure that you're logged in. Go to the chat list and press and hold a conversation you want to archive. In the pop-up at the bottom, click on Archive, and then you will be able to archive the selected chat. Now, once you're inside the Chats tab, you will be able to see a Archive Chat tab. To view your archived chats, tap on it, and there you go. You can easily unarchive the chat as well. Simply press and hold the chat and click on Unarchive in the pop-up to unarchive it again. So that is how you easily archive chats in Signal. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Thank you for watching.